2019 Chevy Impala. We got a fuel pressure tank sensor code, fuel tank pressure sensor code, and it's not on top of the tank. Right on top of the fuel pump is actually on the side of this canister here. So if you just lower one side, 13mm bolts completely, loosen the other side, and pull it down. And let's get this little clip off first. Just a little flat head, and we'll get in there like so. I'm trying this with one hand. Oh, cool. Now we can unplug it there, and this thing just kind of pulls out. Go ahead and see if I can pop it out with the screwdriver. It just pulls out. Stubborn. Yeah, pretty fucking stubborn. Oh, that snapped off. Didn't go as planned, but let's go ahead and try to get this thing out of here now. There we go. There we go. It's crazy. This is the part number from AutoZone. SU15227. That's the part there. Always line them up just for good measure, just to make sure, you know. Make sure the connectors are the same and everything. Get over here. Yeah, I'm gonna just pop that back in like so. Plug her back up. Pop in our clip. And that's it. Just like that. Don't break it like I did. But if you do, you see what you do. Get some needle nose pliers and pull that little nipple out. You're good to go. Again, it's a 2019 Impala with a fuel tank pressure sensor code. Check engine light on. 2019 Chevy Impala. Got my launch here. Let's see what we get. They went to AutoZone and got the code pulled. It was a fuel tank pressure sensor. Let's go diag. Auto. Alright, yes, 19 Impala. Okay. Wow. Found 5 faults, and 1 in transmission, and 2 in the electronic brake, and 2 in the PPCM power brake control module. Jeez, let's see. So click on that. It says evap fuel pressure tank, and lost communication. Now that usually, if your battery goes dead and you have to give it a jump, these codes will pop up. Those are U codes, those CAN codes. Those will pop up. But let's see here. Transmission. Upshift, downshift circuit. See, lost communication. That's like the battery going dead. Invalid data received. Oh, everything. Oh, that's clear. Yes. See if anything pops back up. Still have something in the electronic brake system. Possibly once you drive, it'll fix that, because again, if you had low battery, see that CAN code, control module power circuit, like it lost communications. So Cool. Check engine lights gone. Sweet.